Imagine the moment when you realize your eyesight is not what it used to be. The fear of not being able to see the world clearly, to read a book, to watch your favorite movie, or even to drive. The thought of losing your sight is a painful one, but it doesn't have to be. Did you know that the foods you eat can play a crucial role in maintaining good eye health? That's right. By incorporating certain foods into your diet, you can protect your eyes from common conditions like age-related macular degeneration, cataracts, and more. In this video, we'll dive into the world of eye-friendly foods and learn how they can keep your eyes healthy and strong for years to come. Understanding the importance of an eye-healthy diet. Your eyes are delicate organs that require a steady supply of nutrients to function optimally. Antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals play a crucial role in maintaining eye health and preventing age-related eye problems. The foods you eat have a direct impact on the health of your eyes. That's why it's important to make sure your diet includes foods that are rich in these essential nutrients. A balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats can provide your eyes with the nutrients they need to thrive. The list of foods for healthy eyes. When it comes to maintaining healthy eyes, it's not just about the vitamins and minerals you're taking in, but also the types of food you're consuming. Here's a list of foods that can help keep your eyes in top shape. Leafy greens. Kale, spinach, and other leafy greens are rich in antioxidants, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which have been shown to protect against cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Carrots. These root vegetables contain beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good eyesight. Berries, such as blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries, are high in antioxidants and vitamin C, which can help reduce the risk of cataracts and protect against damage from UV light. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds are great sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to help maintain healthy eyesight and protect against age-related eye disease. Fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and other fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and also contain high levels of vitamin D, which is important for maintaining healthy eyesight. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that are important for maintaining healthy eyesight. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can help support your eyes and keep them healthy. Of course, it's always a good idea to speak with your doctor or a dietitian to get personalized advice, especially if you have any specific health concerns or needs. In conclusion, the foods you eat play a crucial role in maintaining good eye health. By incorporating eye-friendly foods into your diet, you can protect your eyes from common conditions and keep them healthy and strong for years to come. Remember, a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats is the key to maintaining good eye health. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health and wellness. Together, we can take control of our health and keep our eyes healthy for life.